Hello Cancerians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll be having a look as to what are the messages for you in the last 15 days, you can say, or the last fortnight of May. And this time, as I've joined Patreon also, so the extended readings will be there. The link will be provided in the description box. If the reading resonates with you, then you are most welcome to join me on Patreon and listen to the entire reading. Okay, so let's start. What's expected for Cancerians in the coming month of May? Okay. Eight of Pentacles, the Tower, the Justice, Four of Cups, the Sun, Three of Swords, Nine of Cups, the Fool, the King of Swords, and the Ace of Pentacles. Okay. So Cancerians, you've been building hard on a relationship here. You've been really focused, really working hard on something. Okay, and something has happened which has shaken up your foundations. Okay, something has really, I think, whatever investment you had done, whatever work, hard work you had done has been crashed, type of a thing, for some reason. Okay, something has really happened, and with the Justice being there, what I feel here is that either on whatever front you were working on, whatever it was, it has totally crashed down because of either some sort of a decision which has been taken by you or the other person, or some truth has been unfolded. So something has really happened over here which has totally, what I'm getting is it has actually crashed down whatever you had built on. So it's everything is gone, sort of a thing, and you are obviously really unhappy over it. With the Four of Cups being there, you are really unhappy. Okay, one more thing what I would like to say is that immediately after this we have the Sun card and the Three of Swords. So one thing which I feel here is that this has really taught you some lesson, that what you were building on perhaps was not meant for you, or and there is something else which is coming up, which is being given by the universe. So there is something else in the vicinity. The message here is, whosoever is coming towards you or whatsoever opportunity is coming towards you, just look at it. Do not keep on focusing on what you've lost. Okay, you don't have to be closed off to new opportunities. Whatever has happened. You just need to move forward and avail whatever is available to you, or whatever the universe is guiding you through. So it can be a total change of if it was a relationship, maybe somebody new is entering your life and it is something else, then maybe it is a different trajectory altogether, something which you are not even familiar of, maybe something totally new, you have to start from the scratch, can be like that. But whatever it is, I really feel that you are working on your self. You're trying to come out of this so-called upset mode and depression, and you do have the Sun card here with the Three of Swords. So what I feel is that since you are trying to work on yourself, you're trying to come out of this whatever has happened, this Tower moment, you will receive happiness in what the new thing is or the new person is. So whosoever new is coming in your life is going to be a source of happiness. You will be happy with this person or this whatever this is for you. But then with the Three of Swords, definitely there are those phases of ups and downs type of thing. After this Tower moment, it is just not possible. You will take some time to sort of adjust with the new person or in the new environment, whatever it is for you. So these are the small fluctuations, I think, which are expected in this scenario. Okay, but ultimately I really feel that you will get back up soon and you will feel happy once you are able to take what the universe is offering you, accept what the universe is offering you. And then we have the Nine of Cups, the Fool, the King of Swords, and the Ace of Pentacles. So again, after the Sun we have the Nine of Cups. So definitely there is a lot of wish fulfillment. You only have to take the leap of faith. With the Fool being there, I think you will be doing that. You are with the King of Swords and the Ace of Pentacles, so you are ready to avail this new opportunity, what or the new person, if that is a relationship which you are looking for. You will be able to understand that yes, slowly and steadily you will be able to move towards that new foundations. You will be building those new foundations once you are able to take that leap of faith, that okay, I really need to take that risk, I really need to leave and let go of whatever it was and work hard on something totally new maybe, or working from a scratch, or what. It's definitely something new in your life. And with the King of Swords, what I feel is you're closely guarding your happiness. You have learned your lessons, so you will keep those people, if there were some people, or if that person or the scenario or the situation, whatever it was called the Tower moment, you will not let anybody do that to you the next time. So that is the right thing. You really need to sort of learn the lesson, and that is what you are doing, and you have done it. You will be doing it. Okay, with the King of Swords, you're closely guarding your happiness here, and this new beginning, whatever it is, even if it requires keeping it a secret, you will keep it a secret. Maybe you won't even tell about it to anyone that this is what you are doing, or something like that. One more thing is, I would definitely like to see in the page, when you will be seeing the reading on the Patreon, definitely you will have the insight as to what this Tower moment is, what this new opportunity is, and maybe there is something totally new which comes up in this reading. Okay, so I would just request you to just join me on Patreon and listen to the entire reading if this reading resonates with you. Let's see what is the message from this deck for my Cancerians. Yes, Two of Hearts, moderation. You really need to moderate whatever is going on in your life. You are doing that, and it is requiring the effort. Obviously, you are trying. It's not that you are not trying, but this is the time of transition perhaps. You really need to balance the things. You really need to work on whatever has happened or is happening in your life. So you really need to work on yourself. So let's see what is the guidance from the angels. So many cards have come up. Okay, I just feel like taking them. Let's see what it is. Ace of Abundance. This cherub brings wonderful news. A windfall of resources comes your way to help you with your plans. These resources may involve money, advice, or assistance in getting things done. It's a good time to start a new venture, change careers. Just see, that's what I said, that maybe this is something which you are working on, it's destroyed, you need to start from the scratch. This was perhaps not meant to be. So that's what it is coming up. It's good time to start a new venture, change careers, or go into business for yourself. There may be important contracts to sign. Two of Abundance. Life may be feeling a little out of balance right now. You could be working multiple jobs or trying to make a change to your dream career. It is important to keep things light and stay in touch with your inner child. Make your work as playful as possible. Multitasking with a positive attitude brings success. Five of Actions. Your angels want you to know that the current challenge pushes you to be assertive and self-confident. That is what you are doing here. Be willing to stand up for yourself and defend your position. You have the right to excuse yourself from people who bring drama into your life. So just see, it's really beautiful, Cancerians. We'll explore this reading more on Patreon and just see what are the additional messages and what is the clarity which comes up with this reading. So for those of you who are joining me on Patreon, you're most welcome. And for those of you who just want to stay till here, anyway, thanks for joining. Thanks for being here. Thank you. Bye.